Morning gents, welcome to the channel. Today's video will be about the parking brake on Cayenne 958, the second generation. Actually this is a base model. Okay, alright, what's actually was happened. This car was previously involved in a rear left accident which caused damage that affected the electronic parking brake. Alright, electronic parking brake. Instead of replacing the motor, immediately I found a temporary workaround that allowed me to complete the job and continue using the car safely until I could install a new parking brake motor. This location is there. Okay, let me remove that tire. Okay. All right. Okay. I only have issue with this one. All right. Instead of replacing the motor immediately, all right, see that's a broken connections. That was previous accidents here. These are parking brake, yeah. I found a real good bargain. Look at that. That's from the donor vehicle with the parking brake on both of them, and that will replace it later on. Alright, in this video guys, I'll show you exactly what happened, explain why the calibration failed, and demonstrate the tricks I used to keep the parking brake working. If you're facing a similar problem, this method may help you to avoid replacing the motor immediately and keep your car operational until you're ready for the repair. This is not a permanent fix, but I can be a useful temporary solution for anyone experiencing the same issue. Alright, let's get started. Alright, first what I will do, I'll put the car into electronic parking brake calibration mode using my Launch X diagnostic motor scanner. Alright, I'll show you what happened before the repair. As you will see, the parking brake motor fails to calibrate and immediately reports an error. Okay. Alright, let's see the calibrate that. Alright, model selection. Cayenne 92A. A similar issue could happen with even as new Cayenne, old Cayennes, Panameras, all the parking brakes. I do believe they work in the same. Right. Okay. Motor replaced. Let's calibrate now. See the flushing? That's mean the parking brake is out of calibration. That is why we need to recalibrate that again. A newly installed motor with a new cable, everything new. Sort of this insane condition, guys. Look on this, it's good, huh? That's a replaced whole cable. Everything, see that was damaged during an accident. Okay. All right. Flashing, it's mean recalibrated. Now we need to calibrate common special functions, parking brake reset. Maybe we require to adjust it slightly. I left open that hole. Alright, check basic settings. Pin handbrake back installation position, okay. Alright. Check basic settings. Alright. Now, alright. Left. We have big gap, small gap. Alright. Just a little bit. I need this hole. Okay, let's check again. Too much. Let's be on the other side. Okay, couple turns. Recheck that again. Tension release. Okay, okay, excellent. Lock, no, because the same part's installed. Error. Okay. Alright, wait for a couple of minutes. Okay. Come on. Spatial manual select, spatial functions. May need to stray. Alright. I never replaced that parking brake pads. That is why I need the grinding. Alright. Okay. Calibration. Okay. Let's go calibration in process. Sound, calibration running. Okay, calibration completed. Please go to the next, continue. Okay, that's it. Calibrated lock. That's it, job done. Thank you guys for watching. All right, see you guys.